How to remove suggested people on Messenger. So if you want to remove the suggested request on your Facebook Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. To remove the suggested on Messenger, what you need to do is simply go for the upper left, which has that three bar icon, and then you need to go for settings, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on settings, if you scroll down, then you may have an option of privacy and safety. So if you tap on privacy and safety, you will have your account information. So you need to simply choose, and here if you have blocked someone or if you have restricted someone, simply remove them from your block or restricted. And let me tell you one thing, that you need to first open up your Facebook. So first open up your Facebook application, and then you need to go for bottom or scroll some way down, and here you will get this kind of page where you will have people you may know. So you will have this add friend options under the people, right? So to remove the suggested on your Messenger or on your Facebook, tap on see all, which is on the bottom of that, and then you need to tap on remove, which is on the right side. And once you tap on remove, that person will not be suggested on your Messenger or your Facebook. So that's it. That's how you can remove suggested on Messenger account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.